There is no avatar description of like qualifications and who should be there and all to this stuff as well. And there is no guidance on what good versus bad is, right? Now, you bring a setter in and they have no clue on what it is that they should be asking someone or saying to someone to ensure that they are qualified to determine whether they are a good or a bad fit. And you've given them no leads to sift through, because the job of an appointment setter is actually to sift through existing leads to work out what it is that's going to work or what's not going to work, who's going to be a good fit, who's not going to be a good fit. The job isn't to go out and find people. The job is to work through the leads that you've already provided for them. Where most people go wrong is they usually give them nothing, right? And if by chance they have given them something, sometimes it's, hey, I know who I want, right? But they still give them no examples of what good and bad looks like. They give them no leads and they give them no script at all. Now, this sets almost 100% of appointment setters up for failure. And I can say this for strength because one of the guys that you actually know really well, who runs a Get You an Appointment Setter offer, I bought into his offer. They said, yeah, man, it'll work out. It's all good. I had most of this in place, but I didn't have enough of the lead flow. And like, yeah, you'll be sweet. I didn't have enough lead flow, and the setter ended up fucking failing. 3 setters ended up failing until someone finally said, like, dude, you need to get them more leads, right? Which became my responsibility and no one else's, if that makes sense. Which is, again, where a huge part of offer linking came in from, because it actually solves a huge problem for that, which is gets you really highly targeted leads for the avatar that you want to work with and gets them inbound for you, and makes it really easy for, if you do want to hire an appointment setter one day, that you actually get to the point where there is people for them to sift through and they actually get the privilege of being able to make money, right? This is the same for all team. They need to know the instructions, what tools, the ingredients, and they need guidance on what good and bad is at the same time as well. This is what creating playbooks is all about, right? You need to be able to explain how you've done it, and you need to explain at a core understanding of like what good and bad is. You need to be able to show examples of that,